Hello everyone, so this is the hairstyle size for today, and it's just one of those days where I didn't feel like doing my hair. So you all know when I don't feel like doing my hair, I'll slap a puff ball in my head in a minute. So that's what I did. I washed my hair and everything, and I just put it up in a puff. And matter of fact, I've been wearing it like this all week actually, because I haven't had anything to do. So I've been wearing my hair like this all week. I used my edge control and Gorilla Snot to slick my edges down. I still have it tied down this morning because it's still maybe a little bit wet. I'm going to leave it tied down so I can really leave. But I'll lift it up and show you the edges if I can. And it's pretty much almost dry now. But I'm going to leave it tied up until I get ready to leave. I have about an hour or so before I have to leave the house. So I'm going to leave it tied up before I leave. Until I actually leave. The outfit I have on today, I have on a light gray and a dark gray. A light gray top and a dark gray skirt. And I actually switched my outfit. The skirt that I was going to wear had gray, black, and purple in it, which is what inspired the nail design for this week. But I ended up switching to just all gray and then put on black accessories. I guess I'll start with the earrings. The earrings were some earrings that I purchased at my local beauty supply store. I've showed you these so many times before. And they came with a 3D flower on them with multicolored rhinestones in it, and I popped that off and I added the clear rhinestones on it to match a necklace that I had. Not this one, it was another necklace that I had that I did it for. This necklace actually was a review for bornprettystore.com. I'm not sure if they still carry this necklace or not. I've been trying to get in contact with them. I have not heard anything back from them, but I don't know if they still carry this necklace or not. If I ever hear from them, and they do, I'll put the link in the info box. But this is the necklace, and it's really lightweight. It's put on like some felt maybe, and it has a ribbon. It ties in a bow in the back. It's really, really chunky, but it's extremely comfortable to wear because it's really lightweight to wear. And plus, I can adjust the length on it by just loosening how tight I tie it. So I really like this necklace a lot. You see me wear this necklace a lot, actually. The belt that I have on actually looks like the necklace. The belt that I have on, I actually made this belt, and I think it was in a polka dot bloom set that I did for myself with the boots. I didn't do a tutorial, but I did show you the little sash thing that I made to go in front of the belt. And I actually put it on with a belt today. I changed the belt. I put it with a belt that buckles, and I just turned the belt around backwards, as you can see, and buckle it in the back of my top. And you'll see that better in pictures, hopefully, at the end of this video. The top is kind of like a high-low top, so it's short in the front and long in the back, and it's kind of like a tuxedo somewhat. The sleeves is kind of like medium length. It's really, really thin and cool and just flowy and comfortable. So I really love this top. Plus, I think they said it was going to be like 91 today. So, yeah. But it's always cold in the building where I am. So the sleeves is going to be perfect. The rings that I have on today and the bracelets. This bracelet was purchased at my local beauty supply store a while ago. I think I paid a couple of dollars for it, maybe. I don't know. I can't remember. But I've had it for a very long time. It's lasted for a long time, too. I'm surprised it hadn't turned yet, but it actually lasted for a while. All of these bracelets on this hand, I have 3 on. 2 of them was a gift from my mom, and 1 was from my sister. My sister gave me the cross bracelet with the cross on it, and these 2 were gifts from my mom. And the rings that I have on today, these are rings, and I purchased both of these at my local beauty supply store a while ago. And I really like them because they kind of look like an antique type silver ring, which I really love antique jewelry. So I decided to wear it today. The handbag and shoes I'm taking today, I decided to wear black with this outfit. Like I said, the skirt is a dark gray. The accessories is black that I have on today. And I was going to wear some silver shoes, but I was like, I'm just going to keep everything really simple today, so I decided to wear black. So I decided to take this purse. I told you all I love this handbag so much, but it is very annoying to get in and out of. Very annoying. It doesn't have a zipper on it, as you can see. It has this little strap. And I've said this several times, and I did a handbag, a white handbag like this to go with my polka dot bloom set. And I hardly carry that handbag, and I hardly actually wear the boots either, because it's all most of the time it's warm here. But the purse is so annoying to get into. It has a lock and a key, which I don't use. You can see that it's not even on the purse. But every time I go in and out of this purse, I have to stretch the straps on it. I'm going to show you how it opens so you can see what I mean when I say it's annoying to get in and out of. So I have to open this up, then open this up to get inside my purse. And then every time I have to pull the straps back closed. And sometimes, like if I'm in the store and I'm trying to pay for something, the last thing I want to do is struggle with opening that purse up. So that's one of the reasons why I didn't bling that purse out. I just left it black and I just carry it like it is. Because if I bling another purse like that and I end up carrying it a lot, I'm going to lose my mind going in and out of it. So I'm not going to do that. So yeah, so I'm probably going to end up purchasing me another black handbag. And whatever I decide to do, design or whatever, that's what I do. These shoes, I know you all, if you follow my channel, you haven't seen these shoes in a very long time. But I decided to wear them today, and I didn't do these shoes. I actually purchased these shoes at Burlington Coat Factory, just like they are. So these are the shoes I decided to wear today. It has like a little black flower. It's like a little sandal, low heel. And the heel is what make me keep these shoes. I love, absolutely love, love, love the heel of these shoes. And I have these shoes in a red and silver too, and the silver is like a bright, like sterling silver. This is like a pewter, somewhat silver. It's not quite silver. But these, they're really comfortable. I purchased these at Burlington Coat Factory, man, probably, I want to say 5 to 6 years ago, maybe longer. And you can see I have hardly worn them. They still look new on the bottom. So yeah, so I may end up, because of the heel of these shoes I may end up redesigning these shoes later on, maybe, probably. I actually like the flower on the shoe as well, but I love the heel. So the heels is what really attracted me to these shoes, the heel of the shoes. So they're really, really, really comfortable. So I'm going to wear them today. And like I said, I have these in the red and silver leopard print too. The red ones are really, really cute as well. Yeah, so I'm going to go get the red shoe right quick and show it to you. Okay, so this is the red one. I really love these two. And I purchased both of these shoes at the same time. Like I said, I purchased them. You can see the heel is like a silver. Compared to the gray ones, they're like a pewter silver. Same shoe though. So yeah, so you'll see me wear these two eventually. I may end up changing this leopard print on this shoe. I'm not really sure. Because I don't really wear a lot of leopard print. Not really, but anyway. So yeah, so the lipstick I have on, I forgot the name of it, but I used to wear a silver lipstick a lot back in the day, and I decided, well, I'm going to try to put on some silver lipstick today. So I decided to put some on today. Let me know what you think about the lipstick. Like I said, I'm not really that into makeup. Y'all know that. If you follow my channel, you know, during the week I don't even wear makeup because, well, basically I'm at home every day, so I don't have to wear makeup every day. But mainly I wear makeup basically on the weekend and the weekend only. If you see me out during the week in the store, you'll see me probably in a puffball, a t-shirt, and some jeans and some flip-flops or something, because I'm running errands. There's no reason to dress up when I'm wearing errands, and I don't have on makeup. So yeah, so I'm not that into makeup. But anyway, cut this video short. That is basically it for everything. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.